5 Igbo dishes that many Igbo people don't know. That is, some people from Igbo land have not heard of these dishes. Talk more of eating them before. The number 1 on this list is one of the most delicious soups I've ever eaten. At number 5, we have mbiri ogani. Mbiri ogani is a form of vegetable, like a stir-fried vegetable. I don't know how to call it. It is prepared using cassava. Then they add 2 vegetables. One of those vegetables is called green amaranth leaf. Then they pair it with jute leaves, which is ahinyara in Igbo language or ewedu in Yoruba language. There's a way they prepare it with oba and onions and then they add that cassava. It's a very, very nice dish, but it's ancient. Many people, even from the place I ate it in Nnewi. Some of Nnewi people don't even know what is mbiri ogani up till now. So it is one of those dishes that many Igbo people don't know. At number 4, we have ofe utazi. Utazi is a kind of a herb that Igbo people eat a lot. It is normally added to nkwobi, abacha. It is a kind of bitter tasting vegetable that Igbo people eat a lot. But so many Igbo people don't know that there is a soup that is actually prepared using only utazi. Utazi is the vegetable used in that soup. And that soup is highly medicinal. That is the reason why most elders love it. But it's a soup that many Igbo people don't even know about. At number 3, we have unene oji. Unene oji is a type of plantain and banana hybrid. It is short. It has the consistency of plantain, like when you are eating plantain, but the taste of banana. When you eat it when it's ripe, it tastes like, it has a little bit of sweet taste of banana, but not much like banana. So it's called unene oji. There's a dish that looks like moi moi that they use that plantain to prepare. It's a very important dish to the Okwe people in Imo State. At number 2, we have ofe akwukwo ede or ofe mpoto. This soup is common in Enugu and Ebonyi State mostly, but other parts of Igbo land eat it. But it is a soup that many Igbo people don't know about. It is prepared using cocoyam leaves. Some people prepare it with fresh cocoyam leaves. Some people prepare it with dried cocoyam leaves. It is called ofe mpoto. It's a very nice soup if you see who can prepare it very well, because it's a soup that's easy to mess up. There's a way you prepare it, you can't get the authentic taste. At number 1, which is the last one, which I told you is one of the most delicious soups you can eat in Igbo land. It is called ofe eburebu. That's eburebu soup. It's a very wonderful soup that is prepared by the Eda people, Eda, Afikpo, Amastri people of Ebonyi State. I hear also that some part of Abia State also eat this eburebu soup. It is a very wonderful and delicious soup, but many Igbo people don't know about it. If you like this video or you feel like there's an Igbo food I missed from this list, please add them in the comment section. And always remember, eat to live while I live to eat.